lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. See my girls, we shine.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Cherish, 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 A, Cherish, 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 A. Ain't no stopping when you poppin', and I'm back with another video. So today, new inventory alert. New inventory alert. Got new clothes. New mannequin. Yes, sir. New mannequin, y'all. New clothes. So, before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Last time we got some clothes, people was talking about the sizes. They're like, oh my gosh, you don't got big girl stuff, da da da. This time, I decided to go with like stretchy material. But I got a couple of plus size stuff too. So I'm gonna show y'all the regular stuff and then the plus size stuff. Probably gonna do a clothing haul. Okay, so this is one of my favorites. Y'all know I'm a hippie at heart. I love like tie-dye, rainbow, and bright colors. Like, gotta have my bright colors. So this one comes in small, large, and medium. This is a plus size one. This is a 1X. I'm gonna try it on and see. You know, I wear large, but I love how the material is like super stretchy. And I'm just being lazy, y'all, putting it over my clothes. It's cute. Okay, I like the little 1X. A little room. Give me a little room. Alright, so this one is a large. And I'm going to put it over my clothes again. Yes, tie-dye. Oh my god, you can see my shorts. Okay, so this one right here, oh my god, I love like the double-sided with the print. Yes. Now this one is a large. It comes in small, large, and medium. And I like this. This is for a hot girl summer, y'all. Bomb. Basic baddie type clothing. You feel me? Alright, now this one is to like wear around the house, or you know, when it get too hot. For the summer. Comes in black as well. Alright, so this is, you know, a simple little outfit. This is a plus size one. This is a 1X, but it fits good. It still fits me good. This is another plus size one, and as you can see, the pants don't really fit, but it's a cute outfit still. Alright, now I really like this one. Y'all know I love me some jumper, rompers, whatever y'all want to call it. Alright, so that was everything. So I'll put everything back. That was kind of like a lazy try-on haul. I really didn't feel like doing all the extras. But yeah, y'all, I got some new inventory. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoy some of my outfits. If y'all want to purchase any of these outfits, it's in the, we do shipping, so it's in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys for always supporting me, my little four supporters I got. You feel me? Like, I love y'all. Thank y'all. But it's been real. Gotta go. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for